the space. I can't even picture it with an impenetrable wall now. And the rubble is always a nice touch.
At last, the Master Emerald. Ultimate power. Soon, order will be restored. All because of what we have done together.
Such a lovely sentiment, Knuckles. I think I feel a single tear forming.
Sadly, you're as useful to me now as a backstage pass to Limp Bizkit.
Nailed it. This guy is always trying to spoil a bad thing. Oh, you guys are here too? Took the long way, huh?
Is everything a joke to you? Why must you constantly interfere with my destiny?
Because my destiny is to protect my friends and family.
I think I just threw up in my mouth.
And if you want that emerald, you're gonna have to go through me. The Academy is taking no prisoners today. Sonic has heart, but when you lose the will to live. I don't want to fight you, but you're not giving me much choice.
Too easy. Let's do this. Stand still and die with honor!
Let me think about it. Okay, I thought about it, and I pass.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's is my sneezy. I feel so sick. Today is Monday, July 1, 2024. Because I'm so sneezing my nose again. I hate booger. I don't like it. Because I feel so had a long time. Some very long time, really long happens in something years. Number 2 years ago, 2022 in February, it was something sick. So everyone did a long time very soon. So guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to me and thank you very much. So for the next videos. So bye.
Truth and the lies. Always confusing thoughts in my head, so I can't trust myself anymore. I die again.